Say hi, Amy.
Hey.
Where'd you go?
Come back and play with Livy.
There's a kitty right behind you.
Hey.
Miss Livy. Livy, where's Amy? Oh. Hi.
She's like a giant compared to Livy sitting there.
No, she's just a giant.
Dance, dance, dance.
Hey, where you going?
Amy.
Peace out.
Here. Come back here. Amy. Hey. Come here, please. Come here.
You give Livy a hug? Give her a hug. There we go.
Oh, so nice. So nice.
Sweet, a little hug.
Oh.
Oh, Livy's going over. Livy's going over.
Okay.
Oh, no.
All right.
Baby UFC.
There you go.
Yay.
Thanks for
That was sweet, Amy. Good job.
Good girl.
Keep moving in like...
Oh my gosh.
Over we go. Oh my goodness.
Yay.
That's fine. Where are you going?
She can't stop it.
Yay.
Careful.
Pretty dress.
Hi. That's nice. Look. Oh, that's
Oh.
so sweet.
Oh my gosh.
It's just cute. Oh my gosh. It's good. Oh, good.
Oh.
This is worth the visit right here.
Oh. Such a good girl, Amy.
Give her another hug. Amy.
Amy, give her a hug.
Livy's
Paul.
looking at her like she is such a whack job.
Libby. Paul, you should see this. This is adorable.
I saw some of
Yeah.
Amy's just going over and giving her hugs.
it. You give her a hug?
Give Livy a hug.
Here you go. Give Libby a hug.
Give Livy a hug.
Oh, so nice.
Tracy.
Oh, so nice. Yay.
You should see this. Are you being a nice girl? Yeah, she's giving her hugs. Hugs.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh my god.
Can you give...
I think the Livy monster came out for a second. Livy? Livy?
That was a cute face. Oh,
Oh.
what is that?
Oh!
What are you doing? Is that Amy?
Yes. A little huggy, Amy? Can you give Livy a little huggy? Amy?
Livy's like, please don't tell her to give me.
Oh, no.
Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, that was really. I wonder if at daycare, do you think they hug on each other sometimes?
Probably.